The Animals, House of the Rising Sun. You have all those nice open chords like A minor, C, D, F. You can play F without a bar here, don't worry, you can play it with, but also can play it without in a nice, easy open version. Sounds beautiful too. And you have pretty interesting picking pattern going on there, but you can also play it just like this. There is a house in New Orleans. We start with A minor, middle finger, second fret, D string. This is the fourth string from down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ring finger, second fret, G string, index finger, first fret, B string. And you don't hit the low E string there, just 5 strings. Then you move your ring finger you leave index and middle finger where they are in the first and second fret. Ring finger goes to the third fret of the A string. This is the C major chord. The index stays where it is. The middle finger is allowed to move a little bit, but it stays in the second fret here of the D string. You also don't play the low E string here. Then we go to the D major chord. Index finger, second fret, G string. Middle finger, second fret, E string. Ring finger, third fret, B string. Don't play the 2 fat ones here, the A and the E string. Then we go to F major. If you can, play the bar chord. That's fine. But you don't have to. I like to play it like this here. A small F major version, kind of. Ring finger, third fret, A string. It's the second string from your point of view. The fifth from below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the strings get counted from below. So it's fifth string or A string. Ring finger, third fret. Pinky right behind it on the third fret of the D string. Middle finger, second fret, G string. This is the third string. You count from the bottom. And the index lies on 2 strings there with a tiny little bar chord here on the B and E string, the first fret. If this is too much for your fingers and you're crying out loud because it's so painful, just push down the first fret B string and leave out the E string, or let it ring along. Just play it till there, or open E string, or play a tiny little bar chord as I said before, or play a whole bar chord, really depending on what you're capable of, okay? So we have A minor, and going to the C, to the D, and to the F. The A minor to the C, and then we go to the E major, which is the same as A minor, but everything 1 string closer to you. And then you're allowed to play 6 strings. Middle finger, second fret, A string, ring finger, second fret, D string, index finger, first fret, G string. Okay? Now let's go to the picking pattern here. You have a 6/8 time signature here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to count out loud while playing the open chords, just strumming them once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to the picking pattern. It's kind of like tricky, actually, kind of like falling down the strings. I like to play just with downstrokes, actually. And I start on the low A string. And then I play pretty fast D, G, and B string. And then E, B, G. You can also start on the low A string and then tiny little break before you go to the D string. And then pretty fast D, G, and B. And then you go to C. You do the same picking pattern. Practice that with those 2 chords. And then when you go to D, I play the open D string, and then I do this fall down over D, G, and B again. So same structure, but the difficult thing here is you start with the open D string and go back again to the D string. To do your like dun-dun-dun. You can play it, as I said before. Same picking structure as on the A minor and C, and play it as you want to. Then again to A minor, C, and then to E, and again E. I just start on the E string and then do my fall back, fall down, whatever you want to call it, on the D, G, and B string again. Always depending on which root note you start on, but kind of like fall down process is always on the D, G, and B string. Check out my free lessons, which you find in the video description below this video. Make sure to check them out. They cost 0